Hello everyone, I'm making this video to show you that the power button does work, how you can turn on and off the PS3. It's very simple. Okay, as you can see, the TV isn't idle, the PS3 is off. Now you can use your finger, but I normally wouldn't recommend it. I do not like anyone touching my stuff for the mere reason that they can break it. So I took one of the kids' crayons, and it's pretty simple, it's soft. Just to go ahead and show you. It's pretty simple. Okay. And that's a wrap.